Kĩharo-inĩ kĩa ndege kĩa Ore kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado, ĩno nĩ ngaranji ya ndege, injinia magĩthondeka ndege cia gũthomithia arutwo oro ũndũ ũmwe na cia andũ kĩũmbe. Ndege ĩmwe nĩ ĩno mũthemba wa Cemania na ĩrĩa ĩrutanĩtio icunjĩ thutha wayo kũmbũka mathaa maingĩ ta ũrĩa injinia Benedict wa ng'ondu aratũtarĩria.
The airframe of the aircraft comes in for a major check. It comprises of small sections: the wings, the body, the controls, the out part of the airframe of the aircraft. So this particular aircraft you see here is a Cessna 208, which we call a Caravan. It is a 14-seater, so it is in for a major check. So this particular airframe will be stripped of paint and all other parts. Then they undergo something called an NDT, non-destructive check, where we determine if the components are to be changed or not to be changed.
Tiga ndege no wa ng'ondu oigĩte ndege ciothe cithũrimagwo kũringana na ihinda rĩrĩa ciũmbũkĩte na agatarĩria nĩ mathĩna marĩkũ makoragwo magĩthondeka.
When a technician is working on aircraft, you follow the manual. The manual guides you on what you're supposed to do, the check you're supposed to undergo. Once you have done the check, a certifying engineer who is approved comes in and checks your work. Double checks your work, sees that it has been done correctly. Then the aircraft is out of the hangar. The pilot now does the air test of the aircraft. Aeronautical engineering comprises of three things. We have avionics, that is to do with the electricals of the aircraft, the lights and all that. We have the power plant. Power plant is the engine, everything to do with the engine of the aircraft. And then we have the airframe. Everything to do with the airframe, the controls and all that.
Gũkũ ngaranji-inĩ ĩno arutwo na arutani marĩ mĩhang'o-inĩ tũkĩenda kũmenya kĩrĩa mũndũ arabatara na nĩguo atuĩke makanika wa ndege.
The qualification is you have to have a mean grade of C+, and it's an advantage if you have two sciences with the same grade, so that will give you an upper hand for us to join. We also take students from other schools if anyone wants to move.
You need to understand that the field of aviation, it's exciting to work on aircrafts when you see them fly, but it's also, you should be also very careful when you're coming into this particular field.
Thutha wa ndege gũthondekwo ĩnengagĩrwo twarithia aya na arĩa makoragwo marĩ erĩ, Captain John Maingĩ agĩtarĩria ũrĩa amenyaga wagĩrĩru wa ndege.
Without discipline you're not able to see out your course. Also consistency. We need someone that is a good listener, a good learner. We need someone that will be able to sacrifice himself, right, to attain whatever accolades that he wants to achieve.
Engineering industry, there are very few women compared to men. So yeah, we just need to motivate each other and show them that you can do it. If you want it or you have passion for it, you will do it regardless.
Mothe kenda wa ikũmi nĩ atĩ makanika a ndege nĩ makoragwo na mũhuko mũriku na ti aingĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gĩchimũ Joseph.